today I'm going to show you how you can perform a simulate scan body temperature on your Realme C50. So at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the body temperature app and choose that one. You have to install it, of course. After that, open it. Now click skip and wait a second to close the ad. There is X, okay. Now go to the simulation section and to start the process, hold your finger here. Close the ad again like before. And how you can see it is my result. If you want to save it, click on this button, confirm it by the same on this pop-up, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.